What is going on, everybody? This is Ryan. I'm here to give you a review of the Superhuman Core Pre-Workout Alpha Punch is the flavor. And to be completely honest, when I picked this up, I did not even look at the flavor. So it's like, I didn't even know what it was. Smells good. I didn't even know what flavor I was getting because I was like, I'm trying that. I try just about everything when it comes to pre-workouts, and then I'm gonna give you a review because that's what I do. I'm here to keep it real, especially as somebody that likes to work out on the regular. I'm talking daily. I'm talking when it's early and I'm tired, so I like to get this going because I'm not a coffee drinker. So I'm gonna give you the full details, including a taste test and mixability. So something I noticed about this that caught my eye, which is why I wanted to pick it up, it has two different. So when you look at the specs on this, it has a 1 scoop, 2 scoop, because everybody's tolerance to stimulants is going to be a little bit different. It has the L-citrulline at 6,000 milligrams for a 2 scoop dose. Creatine monohydrate, 5 milligrams or 5,000 milligrams, which is basically 5 grams. And then, which is a pretty good dose. And then you have beta-alanine, taurine, and then you have a little bit of proprietary blend as far as the breakdown. 335 milligrams of total caffeine type stimulants. And then the pink Himalayan sea salt, I don't know what the big deal is, 1,000 milligrams. Correction, that wasn't 1,000 milligrams of Himalayan sea salt. That was 100 milligrams, and that is with 2 scoops. Now let me share with you the mixability of this bad boy. So without even stirring it, it's mixing up pretty good. Let me get a spoon. So here we go. It looks to be mixing pretty good. Most people, I would think, are gonna use this in some form of shaker, but you don't have to. I even know people that just dump it straight in their mouth. That ain't me. That ain't my style. Again, a 2-dose measure, you're pretty much gonna look the exact same, just gonna be a little bit darker in flavor. I have no idea what this is gonna taste like. Pretty tasty. Again, to me, I could care less unless it tastes like really bad. It does have a watermelon-esque type flavor, so if that's you, I can sip on that all day. Pretty good stuff. All right, I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna get in the gym, do my thing, and I'm gonna give you some feedback post-gym. All right. Here's a little post-gym feedback of the old Superhuman. I mean, I'm like pretty wiry right now, to say the least. If you're looking for a, let's just say a pre-workout, again, it's totally subjective. That's gonna get you going, that tastes good, has the core ingredients that are important to you, and you're gonna make things happen. Again, completely subjective, but a new fan favorite of this here Superhuman. Hope this answers any questions you might have, and we will talk to you soon.